Manipur kan gaya targadi akhoi hojik yamna darkar ore hai tare hojik akhoi regional parties yam thuna form tawam ta khale regional party China maram di mayam nu thengnari ba crisis inane maroi na akhoi gi Manipur se engo akhoi thengnari ba akhoi leminari ba sugumba akhoi fruit machine marakta akhoi hai wan narco terrorist na hai gidan tagi illegal immigrants hai gira tawi ba thengnari ba sai thing mayam sing sai tare sugumba sai thing sing even na leminari fruit mayam sida sugumba thoto thoi gi hai tar ga di ai mot di ko leminari ba fruit sing kan gi hai tar di maroi na Manipur se kan gi hai tar ga di akhoi hojik Yamna darkar ore hai tare hojik akhoi regional parties yam thuna form tawam ta khale regional parties ta sina haru da akhoi state ki party odini Manipur lai praja myam ki party odini duna yam athu matam da akhoi Manipur da regional parties na thoglaga akhoi Manipur se kan bada achobu thawang lawgani thajabagi ai regional parties ta support to sabni
kari agenda da mai onsin begini if luckily
the same agenda je yam lai gre je akhoi Manipur jo maruna face to incidents ko issues myam lai gre du maroina hai kai gumba lucky na kai gumba mai pak laga di ta same hai issues kuni mak se ta aina si ore na ta aina issues mai pai pai ka da na tai tare akhoi Manipur da lai ba akhoi intellectuals myam even stakeholders adu akhoi party myam gi adu hai ba akhoi praja myam tanaraga kai to ba yage Manipur gi damakta afabu damakta myam pun khana minaraga lakhotpana phagani na khanse crisis what we are facing right now and how our people are struggling and this issue has been going on for it's almost 1 year now so if we want to change Manipur, if we want to bring peace or if we want to bring harmony, we need to bring regional party over here because this is very important, I believe. So instead of going for the national party, the community living over here in Manipur, all the people, I request that it's the right time for us to choose regional party to bring change in Manipur.
And what will be your first step regarding developing
Just see, I'm nobody to decide. If my people vote, luckily, if my people vote me, if I win the election, I will not decide myself. I will sit with my stakeholders, all the communities and the intellectual peoples we have over here, and with the parties, and we'll decide what to do, what not to over here.